would you estimate for the area rather than calculating the area of that triangle you're looking at?
We could estimate that this side is about 2.
Okay.
And if we put all four of these little triangles together,
would that form another square? I think it would, because if you put these triangles together, you have a 1 by 2 rectangle. This side is 2, that's 1. And if you put these together, you get the same thing.
let me make that so that it's a little clearer.
So, and then you have a whole new square, but then we still have this rectangle there, which would amount to a little bit more.
Interesting.
So,
Here's the 1 by 2.
and then we need 2 of them put together. So I'll make another one.
Actually, we don't. No, we just need 1.
So what is that 1 by 2? That you
So these 2 triangles put together.
Interesting.
And we
Okay.
have 4. We have 4 of them.
All right.
So that would go here,
Okay.
and then we had another one.
That would go there.
All right.
So that would fit across there.
Okay. So what does that tell you?
So it tells us that it is indeed a little more than 2. The area of the hexagon is a little more than 2.
I don't understand.
Well, because we have
It's a little more. So we said the area of the square was 4,
Okay.
and these triangles, all 4 added up to this square.
Can you explain that a little more, please?
Well, we said 2 of them, 2 of these triangles, this one and that one,
they
Okay.
added up to.
they added up to our 1 by 2 rectangle.
Ah, I see. Those 2 triangles there add up to half the square.
So
Okay.
4 would add up to the whole square.
Okay.
And then, so then we have a little bit more on the rectangle, so that would amount to 2 and a bit.
Okay.
So a little bit. We still have this shape.
How big do you think that extra rectangle is?
Well, it looks like roughly it's a little more than half the size
Because we can put that there, and then it won't reach
of
entirely.
the square. Well, actually, if we're working with our estimate of this side being 2,
Uh-huh.
that's half this. Then to here would be 4.
That's right, but you know it's a little bit less or a little bit more than 2. So how could you estimate that what that leftover rectangle is?
This is a little bit less than 2 here.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit. It could be. We could say it's 3.5 maybe. This whole length.
Okay.
So that would.
But give me a geometric shape that you might be able to put in there to see it.
Oh, how about a rectangle?
Okay. Do you have any rectangles?
Yeah, this one.
There.
Look at that.
Yeah. So just
that's
leave
about-
that in there. So that's half the area of the square, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think? What's your estimate now?
I think it's around 2 and 4. So it's around 4 and 4.5.
What's 4.5?
So the area, if we call this area, because we said this area was 4.
Okay. So the area of the square is 4.
So then we have another one. We have another square inside it, so that's 8.
Okay.
And then we have half a square, which is 9.
It's 10 because this square is 4, so that has to be 2.
Okay.
So then we have 10, and you have 10 and just a little bit left over.
Okay. Not bad. Okay. So we think the area is a little bit bigger than 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Now.
could calculate it exactly.
Yeah. Now let's calculate. Okay.
Okay.
All right.